Meaning of headset.
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 Headset. A headset is a device worn on or over the head that contains one or more speakers for listening and a microphone for speaking. There are many types of headsets, including those designed for gaming, music, communication, and virtual reality. They can be wired or wireless, and may connect to a computer, phone, or other electronic device. Headsets are used in a variety of settings, from call centers to medical facilities to home entertainment. They provide a convenient way to communicate or listen to audio without disturbing others in the surrounding environment.